Girl, I can't lie. And like a you watch her back it up. She do that tongue, that's what's up. Blood, right after we fuck, pop Molly.
Coming to you live from the city of Houston, Atlanta, Vegas.
So what it do, young nigga? 100.
I am on a 24-hour champagne diet, spilling while I'm sipping. I encourage you to try it. I'm probably just saying that cause I don't have to buy it. The club owner supply it. Boy, I'm on that fly.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Dreamer Drea here, back again with another video. And today's video that I'm doing is a DIY. Actually, I know I don't look how I usually do on camera. I don't have like the beat face. It was kind of bummy today, you know, rocking the Mario, you know, the DA collection. Shout out to Mario. I don't really mind it because if y'all haven't been looking at the news, we've all been in quarantine for like weeks, maybe months. To be honest, at this point, I've been in this damn house so long, I don't know what day it is, really. I'm not even aware of time because it's currently 11:39 p.m. Why am I making a video now? I'm a little bored. Also, I haven't seen you guys in forever, to be honest. I thought I would show y'all a little something that I'm starting to work on, because if you don't know, I actually go to college. I am a fashion merchandising major, so for my classes I have to make some clothes, and that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to make some clothes. I'm actually about to turn some old jeans that I just had lying around that I was about to give away. Actually, I've been seeing the trend of stacked jeans and I'm really digging them. Let's just get started. First things first that you're gonna need to make these stacked pants are obviously pants. So I got a couple pair of jeans with me. They're all luckily around the same like color and everything, so that's gonna work well. Another thing that you're gonna need for stacked pants is scissors, obviously, so that you can cut the pants, also cut the threads. Speaking of threads, you're gonna need something to sew with. You can hand sew it. Luckily, I have a sewing machine, which you'll see later on. I have a Singer companion sewing machine. These ones are tiny, sorry, but you're gonna need some tweezers. If you can see that. You're gonna need some tweezers. If you're gonna do distressings, we can just jump right into it. The first pair of jeans that I'm trying on are a pair of jeans that actually do fit me quite tightly, honestly. So you should probably grab a pair of jeans that fit you not as tight as mine, but fit you perfectly. The second pair of jeans are what my mom gave me, so they do not fit, as you can tell. Let me just pull them up. Starting this DIY off, I'm just going to cut the legs of the second pair of jeans. If you have trouble with cutting a straight line, just fold the jeans to where you want to cut it and use that as a guide. Now cut the hem off of your first pair of jeans. Now taking the pant legs that I just cut off and matching them up with my pants that I have now, I will take some needles and pin where I want to narrow the pant legs that I have cut off down. cutting down the side, you just want to sew it up. But I did stop it at that last needle just so that I can have an opening. Oh my god, bro, what the hell? What in the hell, bro? I know y'all see that. Hold up. Young, my needle just broke. Yo, this is a fail. Yo, that is literally such a fail. Like, there you go. You see that, bro? My whole needle broke. Alright, so my needle in my sewing machine broke. I'm kind of upset. Like, it just broke out of nowhere. I don't have another like needle to replace it with either. I'm just gonna wait until tomorrow. Maybe I can get another needle. So this is day 2 of trying to make the paint. I have some more needles for the sewing machine. Don't forget to cut off the hem to the pant legs. Now that I have both sides sewn, take your pants that you have, both legs, and what you want to do is keep this just like this. Don't turn it the other way, and you want to take it. You can really put it on however you want, but I want like the open part to go on the outside. I'm gonna make sure that the back is on the other side and I can see the front so that I can put it on. This will be on the left side so that it will point outwards. You just want to put the leg through as such until you get it like this. Open this leg and you match this one up. Now that you match these up, the inside of the legs, you just want to pin them together. There you go. So you're going to have them pinned up just like this. You can see it. And then you're going to sew around, and you're doing that to both legs. Now I have both sides sewn up. Go ahead and flip it. So it's going to end up looking like that. Yep. And you just want to go ahead and try them on, so I'm going to go ahead and try them on. Alright, so these are the jeans. I put on a pair of shoes just so you can see how I'm talking about the fold on the side. Now, I am going to cut this open a little bit more because it's covering it a little too much than I like. But other than that, I really like these jeans. One thing for sure is get jeans that really fit you. I'm talking about jeans that like fit you now. Cause I had these jeans for like a brick and I haven't worn them since like freshman year of high school, maybe sophomore year of high school, and I'm in college. So I thought they were gonna like fit, but like they're kind of like tall. I mean, I still rock with them. I can still wear them, obviously. Let's just get them. But pretty good. I'm just gonna go ahead and like cut the opening a little bit more and probably cut a little bit more around the bottom because they're also a little too long. Then I'll get working on distressing these. Alright, so we're back with the pants. What I have done is I have cut it shorter and also cut the flaps in a curve so that it'll be like out, the shoe will be out more. I'm just gonna start plucking and tweezing the bottom so that it looks a little bit more rough. You're gonna take your handy dandy tweezers And you're just gonna start going for it. You see how it's already starting to rough up at the edges? That's how you want to do along the whole bottom on both sides. So the bottom is gonna look distressed like this, which is good. Yeah, the second one looks like it. So now that we got both of these sides done, those are good. We can go ahead and start distressing the jeans. First things first, you wanna lay out your jeans as so, but only like here to here maybe you can distress your jeans. Take something to mark with and place where you want to put your holes in. Then take a pair of scissors and make some slits. Then take some tweezers and start plucking the blue threads. Be cautious, you don't want to start plucking out the white threads. This is what it will look like after you finish plucking out all of the blue threads. Here are the jeans again. Shoes back on to just show you what it looks like. So now it's not as like long as it was before, like it was around. I still have the slit so that you can see the tongue of the shoe, because that's exactly how I wanted it. So yeah, and then we got the distressings going on. Yeah, I really like the way these came out, honestly. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that post notifications bell while you're at it, because why wouldn't you want to know when I'm coming out with a new video? Anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Comment what other tutorials you want to see from me. Bye.
I'm on my Disney shit, goofy flow. On records, I'm Captain Hook, and my new car is Rufio. Damn, where my roof just go? I'm somebody that you should know. Get to shaking something, cause that's what drummer produced it for. Yes, I make mistakes that I don't ever make excuses for, like leaving girls that love me and constantly seducing hoes. I'm losing my thoughts. I said, damn, where my roof just go? Top slipped off like Janet at the Super Bowl. I got open, and I can't blame you. Since I got famous, I got money to blow. Getting it in, letting these bills fall all over your skin. I got money to blow.
Girl, I can't lie. And like a you watch her back it up. She do that.